on and on and on and on. ChantayLainey's back with another one. And we're doing something different. So I've been seeing the ugly challenge all over the internet, and I just think it's so cool to go to unconventional, ugly locations and just take some bomb-ass photos, make it look pretty. And I thought, why not do a Jamaican version to that? Like, that would be hella dope, because, you know, Jamaica, land with love, and it's so pretty. But there are a lot of places that people be, why would you go? Ooh, don't go there. So I'm gonna go there and show y'all that it's beautiful, because there's beauty in everything, every little thing. You just need to take the time out to find it. You know what I mean? There's a silver lining everywhere, everywhere, everywhere. So we're gonna head to a couple locations here in Kingston, Jamaica, and we're gonna take some bomb-ass photos. You know. So before we head to the first location, be sure to subscribe if you're not already. Give this video a thumbs up and let go. Ugly location number 1. But you know that location gonna be bomb. Let go.
So our first location is a gully. Wanna know about gully? Wanna know? So right now we're gonna take a bomb ass photo in a this gully. So boom.
Actually, push your body forward. No, push your lower.
Stop it.
I had to get that one. Alright. Yeah, and throw back your shoulders some more. Turn. Yeah, there you go. There you got it.
Yo, the photographer, she ready. Yo, I just want you to see the water that is in the gully right now.
Disgusting. We're literally risking for infection for this video right now. Of different spots within the gully to try and get some different photos, and my favorite were the one where we were standing in front of the bush that was growing out of the gully, and it's just like a headshot, and the leaves look so green, and it looks like I was in a garden, but it was a gully. So that was my favorite one. And there's also one where you can see the gully in the background, and I'm just standing, you know, like in the middle of the gully, and you can just like see my silhouette and my back, and you just see the gully as the background, and I think it's gorgeous. Alright, so we're wrapping up here in the gully. Yes, gully god, but not. So the next place we're headed is Trenchtown, and we're gonna do some nice Jay-Z, Beyonce in a Jamaica vibes. Ready? Go on, Jamaica! So we're at Trenchtown, and I'm going to show you outside because it's going to look familiar, because you see it all over shade room and all over the internet and all over the inter-googles. Jay-Z and Beyonce yang around in that place. And that's over there. Yeah, Trenchtown, the birthplace of Bob Marley.
It's hometown, not
I'm just saying a birthplace. The hometown of Bob Marley. So we're going to take 2 pictures here, so we can see what's going on. Tuck your belly. Tuck your belly. Oh, watch him, man. Watch him, man. Come. Shall try a thing, yeah. Yeah, shall try a thing. Shall try a thing. you know, I'm ready.
You can't smell it.
I feel like we're doing one outdoor commercial.
I feel so too.
Papi metin ko na yun. Nakalala.
Alright.
So I think this location was the most successful one. I feel like everywhere we went in Trenchtown was just amazing. Like all the images just turned out well, from when we're at the barber shop to when we're in front of the liquor shop. Like I think all the photos turned out well, you know.
Out of the streets of Trenchtown and we reach Mapen Market. Mapen Market? No baby. Mapen Cemetery. Call them no more cemetery. Because, I mean, what is more beautiful than dead people?
And if anybody asks, we just ball to ball. I'm going like say somebody over here next to me.
Man, they split their foot.
But
we interrupt this video to big up Marianne, my good girlfriend Marianne, the photographer for this ugly challenge. You did an amazing job, sweetie, and I want to point out that Marianne used her cell phone to do this. She used our cellular, take picture regular. Big up you, Marianne, you did an amazing job. Thank you for coming around Kingston with me and doing this challenge. Use a real one, use a real one, use a real one. If you're not subscribed to my channel already, do it now. I done told you in the beginning, I'm here in the middle. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Alright, let's get back to it. Cemetery was a little... It was one of those locations where even myself I was a little iffy about. But like the lighting at the cemetery was like too harsh, so we didn't really get like a lot of photos there. But when we were there, we saw like a man chopping down bush and like walking with like a pile of bush on his shoulders. And we used the bush as like the background for the photo. And just the idea of it is what I love. The fact that we could just like zoom into me and it just be like this beautiful plush background of greens and, you know, like a tree stalk, or a stalk you call it, you know what I mean, like a tree root type of thing. And like when you zoom out, there's just this old man with it on him back. It was just like, the idea of it was just like, hello trickery. So that was my favorite one from the cemetery.
Two-face him now, ready?
So we went to this cook shop, and when I used to work downtown, we used to go to this cook shop too often to buy food. So I really wanted to go back there and take some photos. I honestly feel like this was the failed location. I don't know, like the photos just didn't turn out how I expected them, like, but it wasn't necessarily the background that was the problem, it was me. It was like, you know, like, oh, I could have fixed my clothes here or there, like, I don't know, there was just like small things that just didn't form like a complete cohesive photo that let me go, yes! But you know, that's alright, I'll still show you them. You guys can tell me what you think.
I need an actual joke to do an actual smile.
Michael, tell me a joke. My life. You're dumb. If you're too serious.
we visited for the ugly challenge, and I think for the most part, most of them were a success. Like, everywhere you look good, everywhere is beautiful. There's beauty in everything and everyone and every place. You just gotta find it. So that was really what I wanted to showcase in this video, that even the unconventional parts of Jamaica are gorgeous and beautiful by themselves, just in and of themselves. The culture, just the richness of everywhere here is something to experience and enjoy. So if you do your own Jamaican ugly challenge, be sure to use the hashtag #UglyChallengeJamaica. If you post it on Instagram, anywhere on social media, so we can get like some virality, you know, something nice things going. You know, let's make Jamaica trending. Let's show them the beauty in everything that is here. Like, knowing a bit of yard. Alright guys, if you did like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. I already done told you in the beginning to subscribe, so if you made it this far, then subscribe. Thank you. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next upload. Bye.